Okay guys, so like I have this stupid theory thing that's probably already been done before, but basically, here it is. It actually works too, by the way, so it's not really a theory, it's more like a thing that works. Yeah. And once you do, so it doesn't have to be n, it could be anything. And, okay, or just any variable in general. And that will always just be 27 times integer 0, 3 to that. And I discovered this by I noticed that it was going up by 27 times each time. Hang on, it's like int 0, 3, x squared dx, you get 9. If you do 9, 243, 27, 6561. If you notice, 9, 2, 3, 6. This is a pattern that goes up that multiplies by 27 each time, where the beginning number is 9. And I'm pretty sure this only works for integers, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that's my stupid theory thing that probably none of you cared about. Okay, I'm done.